Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn and Company. It's Friday, January 24th. I'm going to go over the markets for the day and week for you. What a poor close to the grain markets really this week. It was disappointing to see it, especially on the corn market. That 390 level has continued to be really a thorn in corn side, not being able to get consecutive closes above it. And that happened once again after yesterday's optimism of getting a good push above that 390 level. So corn market down 6.5 cents on the day, down 2 cents on the week, but it did close well below that 390 level, which was a bit disappointing. Bean market down 7.5 cents on the day. Big push this week, down 27.75 on the week for the bean market. Now resting just above that psychological level of $9 for March beans. Seeing if that level holds support. If it doesn't, it does open up some targets to that 880 mark. So that's one thing to watch here earlier next week to see if we can find that support at $9. Wheat complex all lower as well, anywhere from 6 to 8 cents lower. On the week, you saw big separation in Chicago wheat to the rest of them being up 3 cents, only market to be able to post those higher gains here, while you had Kansas City down 8.25 and Minneapolis wheat down 12.5 cents on the week. So really seeing that separation occur between Chicago wheat and the rest of them. Overall, when you look at the big picture, we had excellent export sales today, but it wasn't enough as we are still running well behind where we need to be for export sales. China is on its lunar holiday, so we're not hearing any news or any demand from them, and that's a little bit disappointing, though expected here. So hopefully when we come back to it, we do see some of those private sales and some bigger ones nonetheless. Meat markets, feeder cattle down 92.5 cents today, while live cattle slightly higher. Lean hogs down $1.27. When you look at them as a week, down $1.50 on live cattle, down $3.50 on feeder cattle. Lean hogs down 45 cents, though it did seem like a little bit of a flush out before this cattle on feed report, as cash trade has really remained steady on the week, 123 to 124 live, 199 dressed, and that's very similar to last week. Cash hog index is at 61 bucks. It's been there for a couple weeks. So really it was more of a futures move more than anything. Outside markets, big movers there as well, with crude oil over 4 bucks lower on the week. Natural gas here down 11 cents at levels we haven't seen since 2016 first quarter. So we'll be watching those as well, but maybe be attentive to those farm fuel needs here for 2020, as you have seen quite a big pushback when you look at that. Coming in next week, hopefully we pick up some demand and be able to find support at these levels, and beans can find some feed underneath them. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading futures and option involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.